Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to get started. If you get the RepTool installed, you will get an email from the RepTool IT administration with two links to different RepTool accesses, the access RepTool and the access users. If you click one of these links, you may enter the RepTool with the login and password provided by the RepTool administration. You should change the login and password as soon as you start working with the tool. See the part System Users later on this. Under the Access RepTool, you may create and work with reports. Please see the videos for reporters on this. For starting up, you have got two demo reports installed to allow you a first view on RepTool reports. You may delete them if you don't need them anymore. As system user of a WE system or a company having bought the RepTool, you have more rights to see and work with reports, to compare them, to sum them up, etc. Please see the coming videos, additional features for system users on this. With the Access Users, you come to the administration page for the RepTool. Main menu points for the beginning are My Data, Companies, System Users, and Config for configuration. When you enter, you will come to the list of treatment partners under the main menu point Companies, where two demo treatment partners have been inserted to provide you the demo reports under the RepTool access. You may delete them when you have inserted your own treatment partners and reports. First working steps you have to do as administrator of the RepTool are to give persons of your WE system or company access, see System Users, to give your treatment partners access, see Companies, and you may do the settings to adapt the RepTool to your needs under Configuration. All information on the work to be done as administrator and the options as system users are explained in the user manual for the system level, which you may see and download under User Manuals, System Level.